Hi guys, welcome back. In this video, I am going to show you how you can start mining free BNB Smart Chain every single second using this free BNB mining site 2024. Okay, I'm going to be leaving the link in this video's description box, and here I have about 3.24 BNB in my account, which I am going to be withdrawing in this video. Okay, so now let's go ahead and withdraw. So to withdraw, I'll have to come down and click this withdrawal button down here. Okay, so once I click on the withdraw button, it is going to take me to this place. All right, our minimum withdrawal is 0.1 BNB and the maximum withdrawal is 100 BNB. Okay, so me, I'm going to be withdrawing my 3.24 BNB right now. So before I withdraw, I would like to show you the current amount of BNB that I have in my wallet for now. So this is my Trust Wallet account, and you see here that I currently have about 0.266 BNB in my wallet. So we are going to be withdrawing to this particular wallet right now. Okay, so let's head on back to the site again, and I'm going to be clicking this confirm withdrawal button. Okay, so here we go now. Request to withdraw. Okay, so the withdrawal is being placed successfully. So this is my balance, and we are going to wait for them to process the payment. Okay, so seems like their payment is fast and reliable. I guess it is time to head on to my Trust Wallet and let us keep refreshing my account till the payment drops. Okay, so let's head on back to my Trust Wallet. So here on Trust Wallet, I'll just have to keep on refreshing my account. All right, and let's see if their payment is automatic. All right, so you see here that the payment has not yet even dropped. So I guess I should keep on refreshing my wallet. Okay, so here we go, and this is the payment of 3.24 BNB. This is my new BNB account balance, which is a total of 3.5064 BNB. All right, so below is the payment which I received, which is a payment of 3.24 BNB. That is currently equivalent to $1,002. Okay, so I actually received this payment from this particular free BNB mining site. Okay, so in this same video, I'm going to have to show you guys step by step how you can join this particular site and start making money off it by mining BNB with it. Okay, so now I'm gonna be leaving the link below this video's description box. So once you click on the link, it is going to take you to this place, and you've got to click on activate miner. So once you click on activate miner, you have to go and get your BNB Smart Chain wallet address and they drop it here, including your password. After that, click on start mining, and it is going to take you to your account dashboard immediately, where it is going to start getting you some BNB. So if you are a free miner, it is going to be updated every 5 seconds. So you have to keep on refreshing your account for you to see your profit. But if you want to make more money off here now, that is where you've got to invest. And if you invest, it is going to be mining every second. So you have to first go and update your account by entering your email address and your current password over here right now. Okay, so here we are now. After that, the next thing to do is to click on the save button. So once you click on the save button, it is gonna update your account, and if you forget your password, you can actually log in again. Okay, so now for those who might want to make more money off the site, you have to scroll down, and down below this page they do have a lot of BNB mining machines available for sale. So they have this first one, which is the Dago Lite, which you can get with about 0.05 BNB. Okay, and you're going to be receiving a daily income of 0.0333 BNB every single day for 3 days, and it is going to give you a total profit of about 0.1 BNB in just 3 days. Okay, if you head on to the second one, the Dago Beginners, it is being sold for 0.1 BNB, and you're going to make 0.066 BNB every single day for straight 3 days, and you're going to be receiving a total profit of 0.2 BNB in just 3 days. They have the Dago Max. Okay, they have the Dago Max, which you can get with 0.2 0.25 BNB, and you're going to be receiving a daily income of 0.166 BNB every single day for 3 days. And in 3 days, you're going to be receiving 0.5 BNB as your store profit. Okay, they have this one which is the Dago Premium. Okay, so this miner is going to get you you can get it with 0.5 BNB, and you're going to be receiving 0.333 BNB every single day for about 3 days straight. Okay, and within 3 days you're going to be receiving a total income of 0. That should be 1.00 BNB. Okay, or let's just say 1 BNB. Okay, over here now they do have the Dago Premium 2, which you can get with 0.75 BNB, and you're going to be receiving a daily profit of 0.5 BNB every single day for 3 days, giving you a total profit of 1.5 BNB in just 3 days. Okay, they do have lot and lot of them. They have the Dago Premium 3, which you can get with 1 BNB, and it is going to make you 0.5 BNB every single day for 4 days straight. Okay, so within the 4 days period, you're going to be receiving a still profit of 2 BNB. If you come down, they have the biggest one, which is the Dago Lite 3. Okay, they have the Dago Elite 1, the Dago Elite 2, and the Dago Elite 3. Okay, this Dago Elite is going to cost you 1.5 BNB and give you 0.75 BNB every single day, and in 4 days you're going to be receiving 3 BNB in total. Okay, and they do have the Dago Elite 2, the Dago Elite 3 miner, and even the rest. Okay, so if you can get this Dago Elite 2, you're going to be receiving 4 BNB in 4 days. All right, if you can get this last one, which is the Dago Ultra Supreme, it is going to cost you 5 BNB, and you're going to be receiving 1.42857 BNB every single day for straight 5 days. Okay, and in 5 days you're going to be receiving a total profit of 7.14 BNB. That is how it works out here now. Okay, I'm going to be leaving the link below this video's description box also. Okay, so as for me, I'm going to be purchasing a miner in this video for everyone to see. Okay, so I'm going to be buying this Dago Premium 3 mining plan. Okay, it is going to cost me 1 BNB, and I'm going to be receiving 0.5 BNB every single day, and in 4 days I'm going to be receiving over 2 BNB in total. So let's click on the buy now button, and it is going to take me to their payment gateway. Okay, so here I'm going to be sending 1 BNB to this address. Okay, so let me just copy out the BNB address. But after that, I will then head on to my wallet, because I'm going to be depositing from my Trust Wallet account. So here on Trust Wallet, I will open my BNB portfolio. I'll click on the send button here now, and I'm going to have to paste the address and enter the amount which I want to send. Okay, so that should be 1 BNB, and that is how it is. Okay, so here I have just sent 1 BNB to the site, and once you have made the deposit, you've got to go back. And remember, you can deposit using any wallet you prefer, be it Trust Wallet, Binance, and even Clever and Exodus can serve. So once you are done making the deposit, head on back to your account dashboard itself and wait for at least 5 minutes for blockchain to confirm your deposit. So the only thing to do here is to just keep on refreshing your account. Okay, and it might even add up in your account in about 2 minutes, just like mine. This is the miner that I just purchased. Okay, and if I should go up, you're going to see here that it is now mining live. Like I said earlier, if you want it to mine live, that should be every second, then you've got to purchase a mining plan for yourself. Okay, and invest what you can afford to lose, because I am not a financial advisor. Always do invest at your own risk. So this Dago Premium trade that I bought with 1 BNB, it is going to get me 0.5 BNB every day, and in 4 days I have made over 2 BNB from this particular Dago Premium 3 miner. Okay, so the bigger your miner, the bigger your profit, and you can even get as many mining plans as possible because it has no limit at all. So to withdraw, click on the withdraw button. Our minimum withdraw is 0.1 BNB and the maximum withdraw is 100 BNB. All right, so you can also make more money here by inviting your friends. Okay, so I'm going to show you where to get your referral link for you to start inviting your friends immediately. Okay, So let's head on to my account dashboard, and if you want to get your ref link, you have to please do follow these particular steps. Okay, so come down here now and you should click on that referral link, and you can just copy your ref link and start inviting your friends, and when they join, you're going to be receiving some percent of any amount of BNB that they deposit. Okay, so you have to please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you want to see more videos on how you can make money online with different cryptocurrency mining sites. Okay, so thank you for watching, guys. Stay safe and God bless.